Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another stewardess bag to share with you today. So this is the Vintage Coach Stewardess Bag, style number 9525. And this specific bag was made in the original New York City factory, and I would estimate it was likely made sometime in the 80s. And as you can see, it's in the color red. And this is a shoulder bag. So as you can see, it comes with the matching shoulder strap. And this bag does have a little bit more patina and some marks and wear through it. So it's got a little bit more of like a weathered or worn look to it, if that's kind of more your style. So yeah, that's kind of the condition of the bag, but it's still structurally really nice. So anyway, I'll go ahead and give you an overall kind of tour of the bag now. So here's the front again, and it does come with a turn lock closure. So that's how you would open the bag. And then here's a side view. Comes with an adjustable shoulder strap, and then here's what the buckle looks like on the strap. And then here's the back of the bag. And as you can see, this one doesn't come with a back pocket. It's just a straight across seam right here. A lot of the older bags that were made in the New York City factory, I've noticed, don't come with back pockets. So yeah, that's the exterior of the bag. And then I'll go ahead and show you the inside pockets as well. So this one comes with a smaller little pocket here on the front, and then a larger slip pocket. And then on the inside, it's also got a zip pocket along the back of the bag. So here's where that back zip pocket is located. It's a pretty large pocket too, so that's pretty nice. And then the Coach Creed is located right here on the back pocket, but I'll insert a photo of it just because it's hard to get a good close-up on camera of the Creed. So now you can see that the bag is authentic, of course. So that's the Vintage Coach Stewardess Bag. This bag is available right now in our Etsy shop if you like it and wanted to check it out further. So I will link it below in the description box. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this bag, and I'll see you next time. Take care.